I'm a little nervous. Is there anything up there that I can potentially cut?
There is the center console, so keep it low.
Hey guys, welcome back to our 2020 manual Supra build part 2. In the last video, if you watched that, we were able to put up the manual transmission, get it bolted up, it fits. We were waiting on a couple of parts from BMW, finally came in. So we're gonna start mounting some of the shift linkages today, modifying some things. Also, we have to modify the drive shaft because it is too short. So that's gonna be one of the things that we do here next. So we mounted up the drive shaft to see what the distance is between the two flanges. We're going to need to grab the Guibo disc from the automatic transmission and mount that to the manual transmission first, and then actually measure the drive shaft from there. So then we're going to take a mic and we're going to measure the actual distance between the two bolt holes. Our shifter assembly is going to connect to the transmission, and then we're going to have to bring it out here and center it into the cabin. Toyota actually did not have this part cut out. We have the boot here from BMW, so we're going to duplicate this. We're going to center it, and then we're going to cut around it. So that'll be the next thing that we do here. Cut that out, put this boot in, center the linkage, and then we have to see how far we're going to modify the linkage so that it actually matches up to the cabin. You don't need a mount. I didn't know it was going to be this easy. You just stick a 4x4 in it and project's done.
BMW genuine parts.
BMW genuine parts, 4x4. Where's that plastic reed?
I think it's inside the car.
All right, let's grab that and then we can mark where we're going to cut it. So conveniently, BMW provided this little plastic ring that came with this boot. So my idea is to take some masking tape, put it over this plastic ring, figure out where the center point is, and then we'll actually put this up at the bottom of the car, and then we'll mark it out with a Sharpie, and then we're gonna cut the Supra.
What?
Yeah, cut it with a saw. I'm a little nervous. Is there anything up there that I can potentially cut?
There is the center console, so keep it low.
Whoa. So we just cut the hole where the spot welds are. It's actually, there's two steel, or actually aluminum plates that are welded together. So it's a little bit hard for that saw to cut through both of those. So we're just gonna have to kind of work our way in and get that cut out around the marks. Das Boot, it's German, made in Japan. Let's see if this fits in here. It's a tight squeeze. I don't know. Holy crap. Okay. Perfect. I don't think the Germans could have done this any better. So we had our shift linkages modified. We added a section of 2-inch to the selector rod and to the other component. So we made it longer so everything should fit. We're gonna test fit it right now, and if everything's fine, we should have the car shifting here shortly. So the shift linkage is installed. We're putting the car down, and we're gonna see how it feels and see if we need to make any adjustments. Hopefully it doesn't, you know, the linkage doesn't hit anything and everything's smooth. So we're gonna put the car down and see. All right, so we put our shift linkages in. We don't have a shift knob on it just yet. We don't have one. Probably put like a BMW M knob on it for now, since it is a BMW. We test fitted the AC control unit back in just to kind of see where the throw is, and it almost looks like we don't even need to modify the AC control unit. This is first gear. So, I mean, your hand's not even close to, hitting the control unit. So I think we're actually going to leave that alone, which is a good thing. We don't have to modify, any of this right here. And second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, reverse. So, yeah, we have a manual E90 Supra coming to SEMA in the next week and a half. Thank you to Hydrotest and Sussex Auto in the UK for providing the transmission, making this happen, and also GoForTrans.com. Yeah, this is cool. This is really cool. This is exciting. Everything is matching up how we want it to. We made some modifications to the linkage assembly. So we're actually going to pull that off. We're not going to do the same thing in customer cars. We're actually going to CAD file these, and we're going to get these parts remade in one solid piece. This is exciting. Yeah. First manual E90 Supra. So next video, we're going to get this thing fired up, figured out the electronics, and then some drift videos.
Wait, what?
Maybe some drift videos.
Oh.
Like and subscribe, comment below, and yeah, we'll see you soon. Hey everyone, welcome back to part 2 of our 2020 manual Supra build. Manual? I said manual.
Manuel?